everybody. All right, everybody. This is gonna be absolutely hilarious. So, uh, I got my JWLAB 1.28. This is the latest version. So, since I started off in Ruby and I moved on to Python. Since I started off in Ruby and I moved on to Python, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take I'm gonna take this entire program and I'm going to implement it in Ruby. Oh man, so let's go ahead and exit out of this, and let's go ahead and go over here and let's open up a text file and copy that, and then let's open up another text file and the writer 1.28. Actually, yeah, v1.0. Okay, so I had to change the name to Busy Writer because apparently the word JWLAB is already taken, which is crazy, but yeah. So JWLAB is already taken. I did a Google search, so if I don't want to get sued, I'm gonna have to change the name to Busy Writer 1.0. So before I do anything else, let's go in here and let's copy and paste, and let's go down here. Let's see. Is Busy Writer 1.0. Okay. Yeah. 1.0. Busy Writer version 1.0. Yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead, save as, and shortcuts. Yeah. .rb. Oh, this is hilarious, man. So let's go. Here are the Ruby files. Here's the Ruby files. And let's go over here, Busy Writer 1.0, and let's double click. What happened? Why did it run? So let's go. Oh man, okay. Ruby. So Ruby Busy Writer 1.0.rb. Okay. Alright, so I misspelled that. Ruby Busy Writer 1.0.rb. Okay. Alright. Busy, okay. Ruby Busy Writer version 1.0.rb. Oh, now I see what happened. So apparently, if you want to switch between languages, you can't just copy and paste the code from one language to the other. Oh, okay. Oh man, that's hilarious, man. That is absolutely hilarious. So, like I said, I'm gonna switch this program from Ruby to Python, from Python to Ruby, and then from Ruby I'm gonna go to uh, HTML5, CSS, and JavaScript because I really want to have a real I want to get my get some UI UX experience. So I want to get this. I want to start the. I want to make a good user interface, user experience type situation. Because right now the program is running as a command prompt in the browser, and I want to make a nice graphical user interface on the internet using like forms and buttons and all these graphics and stuff, and like all these different like fonts and font sizes, headings, pictures, maybe even some. I already mentioned buttons, so yeah, so that's what I want to bring to you guys later on. So I copied and pasted. So obviously I have to go back. I copy and pasted the Python code into the Ruby file. So I got that done. So all of the strings are taken care of, and all of the sort of mathematical computations taken care of. So all I have to do is go in and I have to instead of having the uh, uh, I have to put in all the ends. I have to replace the try statements, the error handling statements, because I don't think there is a try in Ruby. I haven't gotten that far in Ruby yet, but I don't think there's a try in Ruby. So I have to change everything from uh, Python syntax to Ruby syntax. Wouldn't it be awesome if I had made just like a a converter that converts from Python to Ruby? Wouldn't that be awesome? But in any case, um, yeah, it's gonna take me a while, but I'm gonna get this done. And I got my Murder on the Orient Express by Agatha Christie, and I got this ruler right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna measure, because I want to know if I release these novellas, what size they're gonna be. So this says 7.5 inches by 4 and an eighth. I'll say 4 and an eighth inches. So okay, so 7.5 by 4.12. Okay, so uh, Agatha measurements. Okay, 7.5 by 4.12. So like I said, I've got a 40,000 word novella, and I don't think I'm gonna be releasing that at like 8.5 by 5.5. I think I'm gonna be releasing it at the size of this book, because you can see it's really small, and it doesn't have a lot of pages either. It's very thin, so that really goes together. I still gotta read this book. I've had it for years, and I haven't read it yet. So yeah. So it's good that I forced myself to do that. So other than that, everyone have a nice day, and goodbye.